What is up, you guys? We are going thrifting, of course, because we are in the car. I'm actually going to return those velvet pants that you saw in my last thrift video because they just didn't fit, so I'm going to exchange them for something else. But I just checked and realized that one of my other favorite Goodwills across town is open. So I want to go check them out, see if they have anything good, and then just kind of go from there. On a non-thrift note, I kind of want to stop by Marshall's or TJ Maxx because TJ Maxx is over there too, just to kind of see why there's been such long lines. I don't really get it, but maybe there's like a sale going on that I don't know about, and I love a good sale, so I may stop there. But for the time being, thrifting is the only thing that's really on my list, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, of course, and we're just gonna see if the thrift stores are still dry and if we need to wait a little bit before we, start thrifting hard. So let's go thrifting.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
I also just picked up some packages because, no lie, I have like 13 or 14 H&M orders that I'm still waiting for, that I placed that order like a month ago. So I mean, it's like little things here and there, but like in total, it's like a bunch of different orders. I'm kind of waiting for things to come in. They're only now just starting to trickle in, so we'll see how that goes. And then I have some stuff from Levi, so I'll be doing a haul soon to show you guys everything that I got. But now we're gonna go thrifting.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs.
You guys, I am freaking out. I am freaking dead. $9.99. Shut every front door. I am so getting this. Real leather. Okay, so they are not taking returns because of the virus, so I can't return the item that I got, but you've seen the stuff that I've picked out so far. You guys, you know how I feel about colored leather and fringe. I have never seen anything like this before. Even if I can't fit it, I'm getting it. because I'm gonna sell it. Somebody's gonna want it. Just right off the bat, I've already found so many cute things. This one is doing way better than some of the other ones, but I am gonna have to be careful what I get since they are not doing any type of exchanges at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna look through the shoes right here a little bit, and then we're gonna keep going.
He knows how to turn things up, and he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
This is another real leather jacket. So cute. Definitely not my size, but super cute. And the prices are so good here. Look at this black Gap leather blazer. I think I might get this even though I already have one, because I feel like this one's gonna fit better. Wow. Interesting. They're very stretchy. I might try these on. These look super dope. Look at these, you guys. Brand new with tags. Purple is the color of the day, so it's half off. Or color of the week, I mean. And I have these. These are 26 though. Mine are 31, I think. But yeah, I love these. They're great quality and they retail, I believe, for like 110. But I did also find these orange slacks, which are 100% silk. So I'm gonna try these on over my biker shorts to see how I like them, because I think they're gonna be a good summer pant. All right, so I'm gonna look through the rest of the colors and then I will show you guys what I find. I wish these were my sizes. They're size 8 by Marc Jacobs. They're such a sturdy, good quality material. $6.99. Absolutely insane. I wish I was a reseller. I would have the best stuff. I wish these were my size again. Such a cute, like, balloon style, then tapered bottom, but they have so many stains on them anyway. But the silhouette's super cute. This is also a Balenciaga dupe and it's real leather. I'm trying to think about if I want to get it or not. I think it's really cute, but I feel like I might just rather buy the real thing. This is also pretty cool. It's Coach. It's a little beat though.
Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Absolutely obsessed. Love this. This is a must buy. I think for men's shirt, this neutral color is something I find a lot of designer in too, because I feel like it's a color they're more willing to invest in. And then we have another Etienne Onier. I think I might get this one. I like the purple sheen that it has to it. Yeah, I might get this one too.
No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Wow. Ratchets. This is so funny. I'm not gonna get it, but interesting. This would actually be such a dope trunk for decor to like stack. That's so cool. I have nowhere to put it, otherwise I would get it. I feel like I'm not in love. Not the oversized fit I want. Not even a second thought. I do wish it was more oversized, but I am obsessed. Totally getting this. And it's only $9.99. How much is this one? $14.99. I feel like I finally found the perfect leather blazer though. We'll see. I'm gonna have to think about this one. I would like it to be just slightly more oversized, I think. I don't know. These are really high waist. Not sure how I feel about them. It could be because they're wrinkled, but I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. I actually really like these, and they're on a good deal. And I actually have some Pretty Little Thing boots, so I know they're comfortable. I'm gonna get these. These are so comfortable. They're a little different than the ones I already have because they have a lot of texture. And these are like so comfortable. I feel like I do want a second pair just in case mine give up the ghost. So I don't know, I might get these. But I feel like they might be just a little bit too big, so we'll see. I know it's not the season for this, but I've been looking for a red jacket and this one's pretty cute. I feel like I wish it was longer, and the sleeves are, I don't know, doing something weird. There's something about this jacket I'm not quite obsessed with, so I'm not gonna get it. So these are all of my didn't gets. These all right here. And so far, these are my gets, and these. I don't know if I'm gonna take my chances with pants just because we can't return anything. So I'm gonna go look into women's blouses and then I'm gonna be out.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need.
I wish this was my size, but it's not.
No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind. You won't go.
Absolutely obsessed with this. It does have this stain right here, but I think I can get that out. It's 100% silk. Let's see if it has stains anywhere else. I am going to take my chances with this beauty. Love that.
You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need.
Okay, hopefully that lighting is a little bit better, but I am done at the thrift store. I showed you guys everything that I got. I didn't get anything extra that I didn't show you. So, of course, I will, you know, be styling this stuff up on my Instagram. If you want to follow me at Julian Felice, you can kind of see how I style everything. But I think there was a couple things that I didn't show you. I got this right here, which is really cute. And it was only $9.99. Normally they really mark this stuff up, but I really wanted to get this because I felt like if I cropped it, it would look really cool, and I'm distressed and everything, and there's no patches or anything on it, so that's really cool. But I knew that I would really like this if I cropped it because it's a short sleeve one, so that's really cute. And I did end up getting that cream, this one, with the ruffles. Gosh, like words, I can't right now. I did end up getting that. I'm gonna wash it on delicate, throw in just a little bit of bleach and just see how it comes out. It wasn't that much. It was $6.99, so I felt like it was worth the chance. I would take the chance. But everything else I got, you guys saw. So that is it for my thrift with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Love you so much. Bye.